Greetings to all our viewers around the world. We are founder of Mahavira Hardware Collection, situated in the vibrant city of Rajkot, Gujarat. Today, I'm excited to take you on a virtual journey through the heart of our company, as we showcase the essence of our craftsmanship and commitment to excellence. Our manufacturing process is a symphony of precision and innovation. Every product that leaves our facility is a testament to the dedication of our skilled craftsmen and the cutting-edge machinery that powers our production. As you witness the myriad machines at work, you'll understand the scale and efficiency that drives our operations. It's not just about creating hardware, it's about crafting experiences for our clients. In the color processing section, we infuse life into our products. Explore the vivid palette of colors that make our hardware not just functional, but also visually striking. Step into our fitting area, where precision meets perfection. Our skilled artisans ensure that each handle, knob, or fixture seamlessly integrates into any design, creating harmony in every space. Our diverse range of door handles, cabinet handles, mortise handles, knobs, and more is showcased in our display room. It's not just about products, it's about offering choices that reflect your unique style. We operate with a dual perspective. Our local office in India ensures seamless coordination, while our international office focuses on import-export operations, bridging gaps, and expanding our horizons globally. As we conclude this virtual tour, I extend an invitation to you. Join hands with Mahavira Hardware Collection and experience the precision, diversity, and commitment that define us. Thank you for your time, and here's to new beginnings and collaborations. Mahavira Hardware Collection.